So SNS pair grid, and I'm just making a pair grid for this iris. So which is a variable name here. See the data. You are having four things: sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and then you are having another four axes like this. So now, simply giving a pair grid, you will be just getting an output like this. So now what I am just going to do here is, after pair grid, I am just giving a map. When you are applying a map, then only it will starts to compare each and everything. So plot that scatter means you are making everything a scatter plot. So sepal length and sepal width, sepal length and sepal length, sepal length and petal length, sepal length and petal width. So this is one graph. X-axis is a sepal length and y-axis is a petal width, like this. So the help of this pair grid is to compare everything pairwise. So I want to compare the sepal width and petal length. I can able to compare. Okay, so the sepal length, if it's something like 4.5 or something like this. So your petal width is less than 2. The same if it's sepal length is 3.0 less than that. Your petal length is high for that. So for this kind of comparison, we can go ahead with the grid. So the grid is also used to make some comparisons. Okay. So what we can able to, the next thing we can able to do is diagonal. So diagonal means this is what diagonal, correct? So this is what diagonal. 1 minute, I will just zoom out because this is not fitting to the screen, right? See in this graph, this part is diagonal. This part is upper and this part is lower. Okay, so like this we can able to, oh sorry, like this we can able to make it. So for the diagonal, when I am just giving map underscore diagonal, that means this the diagonal graph, everything is a histogram. So upper plot, everything is a scatter. So lower, everything is a kernel density, like this. So then, yeah, normal pair plot, it will looks like this. And then hue. When you are going for a hue, you just give the spices, so that we have a three kind of hue, right? So the three kind of hue we are just getting in a different colors. So we can able to apply the hues. So when we are applying the hues, we can able to get the different colors like this. And then the next thing is facet grid. So when it comes to the facet grid, the same, like you can able to make uh, two things. Okay, one is I just give a column, I give a row smoker. So this facet grid, what it will give is, in a column it will give you the time. So time we have a lunch and dinner, and row it's give a smoker. So smoker means we have a two kind of smoker, one is smoker, another one is non-smoker. So from this what I can able to understand is, so in a lunch time, smokers are very less and non-smoker are very high. Even in a dinner time, comparatively to smokers, non-smokers are coming high. So from this scenario, you can able to understand how much smokers are coming and how much non-smokers are coming. Like this, we can able to come to know. Okay. So like this, we can able to plot your pair grid. Apart from, we are having a join grid. So join grid means you have your x and y. So here you will get one graph and here you will get another graph. So in the same graph, we are getting a two different kind of graph, which is known as your join grid. So see here, one is I am making a regression plot. The another one here I am making a distribution plot here. So first we make a join grid, which is for x and y. Then we are just plotting for regression and we are plotting for distribution like this. So this is what your grid is. So all these things are your grid plots. Apart from your regression plot, you can't able to simply understand your regression today. We'll be having your regression in your theory, in your machine learning class, because linear regression, to plot linear regression, we are going ahead with the regression plot. So as of now, you guys simply understand, without knowing the theory of regression, how to plot the regression plot with the help of LM plot. LM plot means linear model plot, x comma y and data. So simply knowing only this function is more than enough. So how this center code comes and how the data are scattered like this, that all we'll be discussing in your regression concept. As of now, simply know to plot the regression plot, we need this LM plot. That's all. And apart from when you are going for the distributions, all the uniform distribution concept. So if you are giving a distribution, this plot, this is nothing but the normal distribution. And when you are just giving a kernel density is equal to false, this KDE is equal to false. That is nothing but this this part, it won't display there. And then join plot, that's all. So then reg plot means you will get something like this. So reg plot, we can't able to analyze anything. So we won't use a reg plot. This may be used only for the simple concept. And then kernel density also, it's really difficult to understand with the help of reg plot. So we won't prefer that. But simply know this are the plots that is available. That's more than enough. So this in this pair plot is very important. We may use a pair plot. And regression also important, but regression as of now, no LM plot function is there. But the regression theory will be discussing probably on Wednesday. Okay. So 1 minute. So like whatever we discussed are the basic graphs. Like now we know the NumPy basic inbuilt functions and the pandas inbuilt functions, and you know how to plot the different graphs with the help of Cban and the Matplotlib. Now you guys know all the concepts. Let's we compress all the concepts in a single slot. Okay. Wait a moment. So what you guys needs to do today is you guys need to apply this Matplotlib exercise and then work out all this visualization concept. Okay, 1 minute. I think some files are missing here. Movie data analysis. This is your first project. Okay. This is your first data analysis project, movie data analysis. Then after you guys done this, hope you guys attend the NumPy exercises is done. Okay. NumPy exercise, don't forget to do this. And then movie data analysis, you need to do this as well. And then you need to do, okay, Matplotlib exercise. These two NumPy Matplotlib exercises and your movie data analysis as your first project. Okay, 1 minute. Now I am going to upload one more. Okay, guys. Like this three things first we need to do. Let me. One minute, my thing is loading. Okay, guys. What the next thing you guys needs to do here is see here I given answers. Okay. Here I given answers, right? You guys needs to write the code to get the answer. So for example, here I have 3. That means you need to get head 3. So like this. Okay. So then you guys needs to like this is if this is the question and you guys needs to get the answer like this. So you need to write the code. You guys understand what I am telling us?
Yes, ma'am.
So the data set, the data set you can get, you can able to get from Kaggle. The data set is 911 call data, the emergency call data. Clear? And then this 911 calls data capstone is one project. The another project is something like this. Like this is another. This is actually a visualization part. You guys needs to plot something like this. This is your another task. So what are the things that you guys needs to done for this week is you guys needs to do the NumPy exercise and pandas movie data analysis, and then you need to create this matplotlib exercise. These 3 things is the first task. After that the data visualization and 911 call project, these 2 things. So total I give a 5 assignments. Any questions? Any questions, guys?
Monday we have to submit, right?
Monday you guys needs to submit. Fine, right? At least try to submit the exercise and the movie analysis.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, Vaira.
Yeah.
Hello,
Yeah, Jay.
Vaira.
Yeah, tell
Yeah,
me.
the thing is, 2 weeks. This Saturday, Sunday, and next Saturday, Sunday, I have I have some assessments, external and something other thing. So
Okay.
I need to write on that. So it will be a delay in submitting that one. Because
Okay.
here also there is power and signal network issues.
Okay, no problem.
For
So for
6 hour
half of,
work, I'm taking around 15 hours to work.
oh,
Sorry?
okay, no problem. You take your time, then no problem.
For 6 hours work, I'm taking around 15 hours time.
Okay. Okay. So then you take your time.
Due
No
to the
problem.
network issue, I'm taking so much of time.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So you guys like Akash, for you is fine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm expecting you from you guys. Let's see like how you guys will work out. So this week is a complete workout session only. Let's see. Okay, guys. We'll see you Monday morning.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.